Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum dear students, how are you? Today we are going to study class 8th mathematics exercise 3.2. From exercise 3.2 today we will discuss question number 4, that is verify the commutative properties of union and intersection for the following pair of sets. There are given some pairs of sets and we have to verify commutative property of union and commutative property of intersection. So come towards solution of question number 4. So here are given two sets A and B. Firstly, we are going to verify commutative property of union. Commutative property of union. So firstly, discuss what is the commutative property of union. Commutative property of union says A union B equals to B union A. It means order doesn't matter if you take union of any two sets. So let's verify it. Consider just left hand side A union B. A union B. A is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. U representing unions. A union B is 4, 6, 8, 10. Now what we do in union, we have to write all elements of set A and set B by combining all elements. So let's start. Take union of these two sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 5, from here 4, that is already written. 6, 8, 10. So this is the union of A and B. Now come towards right hand side, that is B union A. So let's start. Firstly write B. 4, 6, 8, 10. Union A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now take their union, combine all these elements in an ordered way. So let's start from 1, 1, 2, 3, this one 4, this 5. After 5, from here 6, 8, 10. So if you check the answers of left hand side and right hand side, both are equal. Hence it's verified that A union B equals to B union A. So commutative property of union is verified here. Similarly, commutative property of intersection. Now come towards commutative property of intersection. Commutative property of intersection says A intersection B equals to B intersection A. So start its solution from left hand side, that is A intersection B. Firstly write set A, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and intersection B is 4, 6, 8, 10. Now check what is the common element in both sets. So 4 is common, that lies in both sets. So their intersection is 4. Now in right hand side B intersection A, just replace the positions of sets. Firstly write B set 4, 6, 8, 10 and then set A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now check what's common, which element lie in both sets. Only 4 lie in both sets. So from these two we have checked that both left hand side and right hand side have same answers. Hence proved commutative property of intersection A A intersection B equals to B intersection A. Now come towards question number 6, that is if U equals to 1, 2, 3 up to so on 20, that is universal set. A equals to 1, 3, 5 and up to so on 90. Verify the following sets. We have to verify these following property. First one is A union A complement equals to U. So come towards its solution. So firstly we have to take complement of set A, that is universal set difference of A set, U minus A. What is universal set? 1, 2, 3 up to so on 20. Difference, what is A? 1, 2, 1, 3, 5 up to so on 19. Means odd numbers from 1 to 20. Now when we take difference of these two sets, all the odd numbers will be cancelled out from this universal set. Only even numbers will be left over. 2, 4, 6, 8 up to so on 20. This is the complement of A. Now take union of A and A complement. What is A? 1, 3, 5 up to so on 90. All odd numbers from 1 to 20. And what's A complement? All even numbers from 1 to 20. 2, 4, 6, 8 up to so on 20. So when we will combine all these, we will take their union. All the elements 1 to 20 will be, we get here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So up to so on 20. That is equals to universal set U. This 1 to 20 is equals to universal set U. Hence verified that A union A complement always equals to universal set